Hi guys, we came back from TJ Maxx and we got some mermaid slime pink, some bubble snap pop poppets, and some push pop fidgets, which is poppets. So we're gonna be reviewing these fidgets that we got and see how good TJ Maxx is. So let's get into it. Okay, first the pineapple poppet. Let's see if I can open it. I opened it. It's so pretty. Let's see how good it pops.
Is that the bad side?
Yes. I don't like how it's all yellow. I wish this would be green, but it's still good. It actually pops pretty good.
Oh my gosh, that is good.
I did not expect it to be that good.
How much were these?
That was
$5. This
Not
was $5 at TJ Maxx. On to the next one.
Okay, next we have the green circle poppet. I'm a little worried about this, but let's see. Okay. There's some like little holes, so let's see. It's a little
bad side.
Yeah, it's a little hard to pop. And it's a little weird. And here's the good side.
That's not bad.
Yeah, but it's still shaped a little weird. Maybe after we use it a little bit.
This was $4.
Let's open the next one. Okay, next we have the pink mermaid slime. Let's open it. These are a little hard to open. Maybe if I pick it. Oh, okay, it worked. Okay, we have this cute case, plastic. I wonder how you open it. Do you crack it open? Oh, I got it. Ow, hurt my finger. It looks pretty. Wow, I love this. You see how pretty that is? Shining in the sun. Guys, I rate this pineapple poppet an 8. This green bubble poppet, or this green poppet, a 5. And I rate this pink slime a 7. Okay guys, and for the rate for TJ Maxx haul is probably a 6 because they do have fidgets and most of them are pretty good, but this one is kind of bad quality even though it pops okay. But yeah, I would rate it a 6. Thanks for watching, and we're gonna do a new other store review soon about their fidgets. Have a great day. Bye.